Ladies and gentlemen, introducing Luke and the Heart Rock. Is Romina here? Who's that guy?
He's yours.
You weren't gonna tell me?
Haven't heard from you in over a year. Just took off.
My son, I should be around him. I wasn't around my dad. Look at the way I turned out.
How are you gonna take care of him?
I can't think of another line of work that I'd rather be in.
You're so smart, you can do anything you want. Just don't understand why you're trying this.
You got a kid? You want to provide for that kid? You gotta do that using your skill set. Your skill set. Shazam.
Alright! Anybody who wants to live, put their hands in the back!
105, you see the suspect. 104, I've got a visual of the motorcycle. Tell him it's from me. I'm still his father. I can still give him stuff. I'm Officer DeLuca. I'm here to search your house.
What for?
We're looking for the money that Luke Lanton may or may not have given to you. 14 grand. The lion's share is going to our hero. This is your problem. This is our problem. I'm bringing it to your attention because that's what I should do. I want to do two in one day.
You get up!
I'm not gonna let you bring us both down. There's a way out of this, but you're not gonna like it.
Solid smoking. Solid smoking stars. You swing wide your crane. Swing wide your
You know something, Luke? If you ride like lightning, you're gonna crash like thunder.
someday.